guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So this is the haul video what and all I bought from the Bangkok, Thailand. This is the last Thailand series. So without any further ado, let's start this video. First thing, I'll be going with the jewelry collection. Later I'll come to the clothes. So I went to this Everything 20 in a Platinum Mall, Bangkok. There I bought some few jewelry and cute items. I'll just show you guys what and all I bought. I bought is this hair band thing, sort of thing, so we can store these. There are like so many hair bands here, so this is the one thing I bought. This is also costed 20 baht. Whatever I'm showing right now, those all costed 20 baht, and if it's there any different cost, I'll just tell you guys that also. Next we have this cute nail cutter, so doll sort of thing in the both nail cutter. This is also, we can use this as a keychain. So this is the one I took. This also costed only 20 baht per piece. Next I have this skater thingy. This also costed 20 baht. And these two fans, these are like a hang fans, and these also costed 20 baht per piece. So I got two of them. I do have this purse. These are like a Thailand purse with elephant. These also costed 20 baht per piece. So I can just gift it to some of my family members, so I've gotten this one. This key bands also costed 20 baht. This is so cute, and I am feeling now that I could have bought more of them, but I bought only one and I started using already. Next up we'll go for jewelries. This is the star shaped earring. This also costed 20 baht. This jellyfish, this is also 20 baht. These bow earrings, this is in the silver. This also costed 20 baht. Abstract sort of earrings, this also costed 20 baht. This is the claw clip, which is very strong and it is also metallic. This also costed 20 baht. Hair clip, which is in the bow shape. This is so cute. This also costed 20 baht, and there were like a lot of different colors. I went for this pinkish color. This bracelet also costed 20 baht, which looks so cute. These two necklace with the pearl earrings, I got them in two. Next we will move on to the ear accessories. So I bought like bunch of clips. Those all costed 20 baht. This one, and this. So these are the stuffs I got it for like everything 20 baht from the Platinum Mall. Next I went to Indra Market. I have bought these sock sets. These are so cute. So this is one of the print, and this is the second one, and the third one. This is the fourth one, and the fifth is a basic one. So there were like cute shops. There were like many cute printed socks each and everywhere. So I could not resist myself buying this. So I bought this much. So it costed like somewhere around 100 baht. So for 100 baht I got 6 pair, which is quite good. So I was looking around and I got this electric fan, which costed around like 150 baht or 100 baht or something, which is very good. Like the speed is also very nice, that if we are somewhere outside in the hot weather, right, this is very useful. And in Bangkok also it helped me a lot. In Thailand, everywhere, wherever I went, to Phuket and then Pattaya, it helped me very lot. Like I used to go out, and if I feel hot, I used to use this fan, and each and everyone, whoever go to that place, everyone used to hold some fan. So this is the very good purchase, I must say. Next I bought this two phone cover. These are like very pretty printed phone covers were there, but they were like limited. It is there in one model, in another model it wasn't there, so it was so difficult to find the particular same piece in different models. So I bought these two. I went to Indra Market. From Indra Market I took this bag. This is like a very good bag. So this is how it looks. So this costed only like a 50 baht. We can put so much of things inside, but there is no zip to this, but it is so good. Like if we are running for some grocery or something, it is very useful. I got this thing in another print. So this is how it looks. I did not open. It will come in like this compact shape. That street only I have taken this bag. This is also like a elephant printed Thailand bag. So everyone whoever goes to Thailand, they'll one or the another thing they will have in this animal print. So I got this bag, or else you might have seen like people will be wearing the pants or else the tops in the elephant print. So for the beauty products I did not get much. I did not get a time actually. Duty free itself I have bought this lipstick. This is like a collagen lipstick it seems. I really like the shade. This is so pretty. It is like a rusty pink shade. This is how the shade looks like. I really liked it, and I went to 7-Eleven. From 7-Eleven itself I bought some bunch of sunscreen. These are the Nivea brand sunscreen. These are like these were like in the pockets. I have already used like 5 of them. I really liked it. This is so compact. We can use this like we can just keep this in our bag and just go. So this is so good, and it is also a water resistance, and it is a SPF 50 FA+++. So I really liked it, and this is like good for sensitive skin, this lipstick. So this is how it is looking. Actually you can see this in the package, it is like a pinkish color. When I opened it, right, it is somewhat darker. So I'll just swipe and show you guys. You can see this is how dark it is. I'm not sure, like it is giving like something like a brownish shade, but here on the package it is like a pinkish shade. So it on the code also it says like baby rose. Next I bought this nail cutter. This is also super cute, and it is also like a travel friendly. I really liked it, and for the baby nails we can trim it so perfectly. This is also so cute. This is what I bought. So now we will move on to the clothing section. I was walking towards the Chinatown. So there I came across with one shop. There they have displayed some cute items out. So I have bought few items. I'll just show you guys. So this is the PJ set. This is the top, and this is the bottom, which costed only 100 baht. I was so surprised that the material is also very good, and it is thick, it is not thin. I'm really surprised that I got this only for 100 baht. In that same shop I bought like few more dresses. I'll just show you guys. This is the second item which I've purchased. So this is also like a night suit thing, so which is so cute. I just bought it. Like it comes to the knee length, and it is so super cute. So, and the material is also so soft, and it is so comfy. It's cozy. I like this. Is also 100 baht. Next up in that shop only, I have bought this skirt. This is the skirt. This is like a pinkish peachish skirt. I don't know whether the camera is giving justify for this color, but this skirt is also like a Pinteresty vibes, and this also costed only 100 baht. Like how 100 baht? So I took this one. Same shop itself. This is the last piece I have bought. So this is the skirt, but this is very thick. This is meant for like a winter wear, but this material is also so soft and comfy. Every material what I bought from the store, it is super comfy and cozy, and the material is so soft. And this is the skirt. This is in the pink shade itself. So it is like a warmer. This is like a warmer shorts. We can wear this in winter. This also costed 100 baht. I went to Indra Market. There I was not sure like exactly what I need to shop. Where I went so blank seeing all the items. Like, so I bought only few items. Now I'm regretting that I bought only like a few items. So the first thing I bought from the Indra Market, this is the dress. So it's like a shirt dress with a collar here, which is so good. This costed somewhere around like 200 baht, 250 baht, something like this. These have pockets also. I liked it so much. So the material is cotton, and it is so like breathable. We can wear this in summer and we can style this in each and every way possible. So I love this one. The same market itself, I have bought this stall. This is the scarf, so the print is also so pretty. To the end, I have bought few pieces from Adidas, so let me just show you guys that. So this is the top which I have bought from Adidas. I really liked it. So the print is like a cheetah print, so I liked it, so I bought this one. This is the cord set from Adidas itself. This is the shorts. With these shorts we do have similar print top. So this is how the top looks like. So this is a crop top. I like this, it will look awesome together. That is all it. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.